What if you could take a high-end luxury apartment, fuse it with a military-grade armored vehicle, and then harden it into a long-range survival machine built to conquer the most hostile terrain on Earth? What if comfort, intimidation, and absolute freedom all existed inside a single machine? This is not just an RV. This is not just a truck. This is the Toyota MONARCH X. Welcome back to Wheelhouse Reviews, where we break down the most extreme vehicles on the planet. Today, we're stepping into a different league altogether. This is an expedition vehicle designed for people who don't ask how far the road goes, because they don't plan on staying on the road at all. From the outside, the Toyota MONARCH X looks like something that escaped a military testing facility. From the inside, it feels like a private penthouse built to survive the end of the world. And the most shocking part, it wears a Toyota badge, a name associated with legendary reliability, engineered here into something truly monstrous. This is the full cinematic breakdown. The MONARCH X is intimidating before it ever moves. Parked or rolling, it dominates its surroundings with an almost unnatural presence. This is a 6x6 expedition platform designed without compromise, engineered for people who want to cross continents, deserts, glaciers, and war-torn landscapes without sacrificing comfort or control. It's not trying to fit into any existing category. It creates its own. This vehicle doesn't ask for permission. It announces itself. The exterior design of the Toyota MONARCH X is pure functional aggression. The body sits high and wide on a reinforced military-grade chassis, giving it a stance that feels planted, unstoppable, and deliberately overbuilt. Every line is angular, purposeful, and engineered to deflect impact, debris, and the elements. This isn't decorative toughness. This is structural confidence. The armor-grade composite body panels are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, rock impacts, and environmental stress, while maintaining a surprisingly refined finish. Massive off-road tires wrap around heavy-duty beadlock wheels, filling out the wheel arches like clenched fists. High-clearance steel bumpers, front and rear, integrate recovery points, winches, and protective skid plating underneath. The lighting system alone feels like something out of a military convoy. High-output LED light bars, adaptive cornering lights, infrared-capable cameras, and roof-mounted floodlights turn night into daylight. Whether you're crawling through a mountain pass or setting up camp in the middle of nowhere, the MONARCH X ensures you see everything before it sees you. From every angle, the message is clear. This vehicle is not meant to be delicate. It's meant to endure. Step inside, and the entire mood changes. The moment you enter the cabin, the rugged exterior fades away, replaced by an atmosphere of calm, precision, and luxury. This is where the MONARCH X reveals its dual identity. It's a fortress outside, but inside, it's a refined living space designed for long-term habitation. The interior feels more like a high-end apartment than a truck. Soft-touch sofas, premium wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and tailored upholstery surround you in quiet confidence. Advanced insulation and acoustic dampening seal out wind, dust, heat, and cold, creating a controlled environment no matter how hostile the outside world becomes. The lounge area is spacious and intelligently designed, with convertible seating that transforms into additional sleeping quarters when needed. Ambient LED lighting adapts to time of day and mood, while panoramic windows bring the outside world in without sacrificing privacy or protection. The kitchen is fully equipped, featuring induction cooking, refrigeration, storage, and filtration systems that allow true off-grid living. Every surface feels solid, intentional, and built to survive years of use. Move deeper inside, and you'll find a full bathroom with a proper shower, advanced water recycling, and sealed plumbing systems designed for extreme climates. The bedroom offers a true retreat with a full-size bed, climate control, and storage designed for extended expeditions rather than weekend escapes. This is not camping. This is living anywhere on Earth. Powering the Toyota MONARCH X is a drivetrain engineered to match its presence. Underneath the armored body sits a heavy-duty turbocharged diesel engine tuned for massive torque rather than headline horsepower numbers. This engine isn't about speed. It's about control, endurance, and reliability across thousands of kilometers of brutal terrain. The 6x6 drivetrain distributes power across all 6 wheels through locking differentials and a reinforced transfer case, allowing the MONARCH X to climb, crawl, and pull through environments that would stop lesser vehicles instantly. Advanced air suspension adapts ride height on the fly, offering maximum clearance for obstacles or a lower stance for highway stability. This truck doesn't struggle through terrain. It methodically conquers it. Deep sand, snow, mud, rock fields, steep ascents, river crossings. These aren't challenges. They're scenarios the MONARCH X was built to dominate. With massive fuel capacity and long-range tuning, this vehicle is capable of crossing entire regions without refueling, making it a true intercontinental expedition machine. Technology inside the MONARCH X is focused, purposeful, and survival-oriented. The driver cockpit features a fully digital display suite with terrain mapping, inclinometer readouts, drivetrain diagnostics, and camera feeds covering every angle of the vehicle. Blind spots simply don't exist. Navigation systems integrate satellite mapping and offline route planning, allowing you to chart paths far beyond cellular coverage. Multiple camera systems assist with tight maneuvers, obstacle detection, and night operation, while advanced driver assistance systems provide stability and control even under extreme conditions. Off-grid capability is where the MONARCH X truly separates itself. Solar arrays feed a massive battery system that powers lighting, appliances, climate control, and electronics without external input. Water tanks with advanced filtration and recycling allow extended self-sufficiency. Satellite communication systems keep you connected anywhere on the planet, whether for work, navigation, or emergency response. This is a vehicle designed not just to travel off-grid, but to live off-grid indefinitely. Safety and survival are built into every layer of the MONARCH X. Reinforced cabin structures, armored panels, and impact-resistant glass provide protection without turning the vehicle into a bunker. Advanced traction control, hill descent systems, and terrain response modes ensure stability when conditions turn dangerous. Emergency systems include integrated recovery gear, redundant power systems, fire suppression, medical storage, and emergency signaling capabilities. This is a vehicle engineered for worst-case scenarios, built to keep its occupants secure when help is hundreds of kilometers away. Ownership of the Toyota MONARCH X is not casual. Pricing realistically starts in the high 6-figure range and climbs well into 7 figures depending on customization, armor levels, interior finishes, and off-grid upgrades. Running costs reflect its size and capability, but Toyota's engineering philosophy ensures long-term durability and reliability that few competitors can match. For full-time overlanders, expedition professionals, and remote explorers, the Monarch X isn't an expense. It's a platform, a long-term investment in mobility, safety, and independence that holds value in a world where freedom of movement is becoming increasingly rare. So who is this vehicle really for? The Toyota MONARCH X is built for people who reject limits. Expedition travelers crossing continents, survivalists preparing for uncertainty, digital nomads working from the edges of civilization, explorers who value self-reliance more than convenience. This is not for weekend campers. This is for those who want the world as their backyard. The final verdict is simple. The Toyota MONARCH X has no real competitor because it doesn't compete in existing categories. It exists above them. It's a machine that redefines what a vehicle can be, blending luxury, military-grade engineering, and absolute freedom into one unstoppable platform. This isn't just transportation. This is independence on 6 wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Toyota MONARCH X, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Wheelhouse Reviews, and comment below where in the world you'd take this machine first. And stay tuned, because in our next episode, we're breaking down another extreme vehicle that pushes the limits of engineering even further.